Assalamu alaikum viewers and students. Let's go for a new video. In today's video I will show you construction number 5. If you miss the first 4 construction 1, 2, 3, 4, then go for description box and you will get the link up there. Now construction number 5, two diagonal and one sides of a parallelogram are given. A parallelogram has to be constructed. So go for the drawing process. These three information they given us for to draw the parallelogram. So first of all I will take a line and that will be the side, and I will take another two line and I will count that two lines as diagonal. So you can see there we are just taking three lines. The first line we are going to give the name of A, that is side A, and the B and C, these two we will count for our diagonal. So this is B and C. Now go for the proposition. The proportion will be two diagonals BC and one side A are given. A parallelogram has to be constructed. Now see the main drawing process. First of all take a line, that will be any line with any measurement. Then from there we are going to cut the side A. So before that, first of all give the name of our straight line that we are going to draw the parallelogram. So now take your pencil compass on A side and take the measurement of side A. So you can see we just take the measurement of side A and we just cut it from A, and then we are going to give the name of our cutting point, that will be B, and this line is equal to A, so that is our side. Now going for the next process. For the next process you have to find a bisector of diagonal B and diagonal C. So for that, taking the measurement of more than half of B, on the both side of B we will draw two arcs. So this is the first arc on the upper side, and now going to draw another arc at lower side. So this is, and now put your pencil compass on the other side of B and with the same measurement, don't change the measurement in there, just take the same measurement and cut two cross line on the opposite side of B. So you can see we already got two cross line on the both side of B. Now if I going to edit, then I will get my midpoint. So this is the midpoint of side B. That means you have to find out the half of B. With the similar process, just don't do any straight line there, just put a point, that is our midpoint. Don't do the straight line. Now with the same process we are going to find out the half of C, that means the bisector of C. Put your pencil compass on C point and take any measurement and draw two arcs on both sides of C. So see, this is the first arcs. Now put your pencil compass on the other side and just repeat the same process again. So by this process we will get our midpoint of diagonal C. Do the same process, don't do any straight line there, just put your pencil scale and find out the midpoint of C. So this is the midpoint of B and this is the midpoint of C. Now go for the next process. Take your pencil compass again, put the pencil compass on B point and just take half length, half of B, and put the pencil compass on A point and draw an arc with the length of half of B. So see, we just draw an arc on the upper side of AB with the length of half of B. This is the length half of B. Now see, we are going to take the half length of C. Repeat the same process. Just take the half length of C and we will cut it from the other side of AB. just put your pencil compass on B point, and if you draw an arc on the upper side of AB, you can see this arc will intersect the previous arc in a point, and this way looks like a cross shape. That means we just got our got our intersecting point of two arc. Now take your pencil a scale, and you have to add this point, and we are going to give the name of this midpoint as O. Now take your scale and just add OA and increase in on the upper side. You can see I just increased it, and do the same process, add BO and increase it on the other side also. So we do not finish yet, just a little bit work remain there. Before that, we are going to give the name of the extended line. First of one is F and the next one is Z. Now take your pencil compass again, and you already know that this side was half of C. See, this was half of C, and take the same measurement again, half of C, and put your pencil compass on D point and cut it from Z line, DZ line. So this is the same measurement of BO. And now put your pencil compass on A point and take the measurement of AO. So repeat the same process. Now put your pencil compass on the O point again and cut it from the F line. So you can see we just got two cut point. We almost finished. Now we are going to just add these two lines, and then we will get our parallelogram. Before that, give the name of our cutting side. The first of this one C by 2 and the C by 2. This 2 C by 2 makes is C, and the other side, both other side, put B by 2. That means the 2 B by 2 will make give you B. And this is the way to use the diagonal. We already use our two diagonals. Just do the last process to add all the lines, and then you will get your parallelogram. So you can see, just I add this the cutting point with the previous point, and you can see this is a great shape of like a parallelogram. Give the name A, B, C and D. So A, B, C, D is the required parallelogram. So practice it again and again. This is not so much hard. For that you have to just bisect the two diagonal, then you will get your drawing. If you follow the video, then it will be easier you to draw. So goodbye, see you at the next video. Before that, just practice more and more and try to be very good in all construction drawing. So goodbye.